Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your phone number in Lime. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner and press on your account there. Now you can just press on the settings and after that press on phone, and now you can just select the country here and enter your phone number. You can enter it and after that press on next and you will be able to add it. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.